Friends, hello, assalamu alaikum. I am M.A. Momin. Welcome to Cyber Security Point. This tutorial is made for mid-level. Many friends and viewers have requested for the beginning level and mid-level tutorial of Kali Linux. So I am going to start the beginning and mid-level tutorial phase by phase, in addition to the advanced and expert level also. Today I will show you how to reset Kali Linux root password. This is important because if anyone somehow forget this password, then it is necessary to recover. So let's start with how to reset Kali Linux root password. Reboot the Kali Linux system. Into the grab boot menu, press press E, edit grab menu. Scroll down until you hit the line starting with keyword Linux. Look for keyword RO and replace it with keyword RW. Next, on the same boot entry, find keyword quiet and replace it with init equal to /bin/bash and delete splash. Then press Ctrl plus X or F10 to continue booting. Now it is booting. It will take some moment. Please wait. Using the password command, you can change the password. After you type the password command, enter the new password you want. As you can see, after this password change was successfully. Now reboot with a physical button if you using physical machine, or if you using VM machine, then forcefully restart guest machine. Don't use reboot command. Now it is rebooting. Now type root pass and you type the new password and log in. Yes, it is working. So guys, I hope you understand my tutorial. In my next tutorials, I will show you various tools of Kali Linux phase by phase. Dear friends, in Kali Linux, there are thousands of tools. Friends, if you like my video or find any necessity, please like, share and comments and subscribe to get regular video updates. Many thanks to everyone for visiting and staying with Cyber Security Point. Assalamu alaikum.